Hey, it's Doug here, and we're looking at birdinginformation.com. This is a pretty cool opportunity, especially if you're into birding. I'm not a specific birder, but I appreciate going out and taking photos. So we're going to look at a little bit of the history here. We're going to look at some of the monetization opportunities, which are pretty cool. But first of all, let's take a quick look at just some of the badass links that we have here. Some notable ones. We have The Guardian. We have nationalparkservice.gov. Here's a news site. And there's a bunch of other pretty impressive links coming to this site. So we'll take a quick look at those. It's in the travel / I would say information area, not necessarily travel, registered back in 2008. And there's something like 228 referring domains with about 9 authority links. We'll take a quick other look at a few other spots here. So over here on a backlink checker, we can see quite a few links, and we see citation flow is 21, trust flow is 17. And we have many of those links listed out. A couple other notable things. The domain authority is 36, page authority is 31. This backlink profile looks pretty nice. And one key thing I want to point out, so about 82% do follow links, which is good. That's a nice ratio. And the other is the anchor text here. So birding information, the branded anchor text is the majority. And there's some others that are, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing that indicates spam or anything weird. I'm going to go back in the history really quick over on the Wayback Machine before we take a look at essentially monetization opportunities. So over here, pretty standard birding information. This is back from 2012 when websites they looked pretty simple. Tons of information. This is probably a great opportunity to use AI content. A lot of this information is fairly static, and there's not new opinions coming out about finches or geese or anything like that. There's some facts about the birds and fairly straightforward. Again, cool part is monetization. Couple quick ideas from an affiliate standpoint. I just hopped over to Amazon and put in bird feeders, which they used to be very simple, but we could see here they range from $20 or very cheap to here's a bird feeder that has a camera. It's about $200. There are many others that are sort of higher end. And as soon as you start throwing electronics in the bird feeders, they are a little more expensive. And people do want to watch their birds and the bird feeders, and it can get pretty elaborate out there. One thing, if you want to get away from Amazon and physical products, is birding tours. Right? So people pay big money to go out on tours. They go to a different location. They end up taking photos, which is another area, right? I didn't even talk about the affiliate commissions from, high-priced lenses, which are hundreds of dollars at least, but usually they're thousands of dollars when you're looking at the more sophisticated, obsessive people in the community. The other thing is just the size of this community. So I just looked up a birding forum, and you can see here there are 65 viewers currently looking at this website. There are thousands of messages and threads, and this is just one that I arbitrarily picked out. There are plenty of other Facebook groups and stuff like that. And finally, to round out the monetization, you can promote digital courses that have high commission percentages, and there's kind of an infinite number of those that you could sell. You don't have to sell physical products or anything like that. So great opportunity out there, fantastic looking domain, plenty of monetization opportunities. And honestly, there's a good way to get social traffic too, whether it's Pinterest traffic or if you're posting out there on, say, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, these type of visual websites, these visual, we're looking at birds and stuff. People will definitely want to see videos and short form video on that sort of thing. So check this one out. It's birdinginformation.com.